Very good morning to everyone. In this is the continuation of previous class, transformation of sentences. In the previous class we have studied what do you mean by phrase, what do you mean by class, and what are the classifications of class. All these things we have studied in the previous class. At the same time, what do you mean by phrase? Phrase means there will be no subject and no predicate. Phrase means there will be no subject and no predicate. So it cannot give meaning of its own. So it depends upon the main class for its meaning. Then what do you mean by class? Class means it is subject and predicate. It is subject and predicate, and it can give meaning of its own at the same time. The class, we have three types of the class. We have three types of class. One is main class. Next one is coordinate. Next one is coordinate class. Next one is subordinate class. Main class means it has subject, verb, and object. It has subject, verb, and object. So it does not depend upon anything for its meaning. It can give meaning of its complete meaning of its own. That is called as main class. Then what do you mean by coordinate class? The coordinate class means a sentence that is connected by a group of words that are connected by coordinate conjunctions. What are the coordinate conjunctions? And, but, or, yet, still. And, but, or, yet, still. If a sentence is connected by and, but, or, yet, still in the middle, it is called as compound sentence. It is called as coordinate class. At the same time, what do you mean by subordinate class? Subordinate class means the group of two sentences are connected by coordinate conjunctions. Two or more sentences are connected by subordinate conjunctions. So what are the subordinate conjunctions? After, before, as, since, because, though, although, even though, if, unless, why, when, that. These are the coordinate. These are the subordinate conjunctions. Subordinate conjunctions are, what are the subordinate conjunctions? Recall once more. After, before, as, since, because, though, although, even though, if, unless, when, why, that. If these words comes in a sentence, we can finalize it as subordinate class. These are the subordinate class. So at the same time, in a simple sentence, one phrase, and one class will be there. But in complex sentence, you should keep it in mind. Complex sentence, one subordinate sentence, and one main class will be there. One subordinate class and one main class. One subordinate class and one main class will be there in a complex sentence. But in compound sentence, one main class and one coordinate class. Here, once again, in a simple sentence, one phrase and one class will be there. One phrase and one class will be there. Phrase means it does not have subject or predicate. That is called as phrase. One phrase and one class will be there. In complex sentence, one subordinate class and one main class will be there. One subordinate class and one main class will be there. In compound sentence, one main class and one coordinate class will be there. Now in this today we are going to see about The first type, simple complex compound. In the simple complex compound table, we are going to see reason. The statements with reason. We are going to see the statements with reason. He is poor, he is humble. There are two sentences are there. In general, when we speak to others, we speak in he is poor, he is humble. Just like we say, when we speak to others, we speak in this way. Without having any structure or anything, we speak in a simple way. Here, these two sentences can be connected in a single sentence using simple, complex and compound. Here, you can use verb plus ing. Being poor, he is humble. This is a phrase. Then when you come to the next one, complex. As he is poor, he is humble. As is a subordinate conjunction. As is a subordinate conjunction, so it is a complex sentence. Then, how to change to compound sentence? Use and so in the middle. Use and so in the middle. He is poor and so he is humble. The simple sentence, being poor he is humble. When you change to complex sentence, as he is poor he is humble. In this way also you can write, because also as he is poor he is humble, also you can write in complex sentence. Since he is poor he is humble. In this way also you can write. In another form also you can write. He is humble because he is poor. These three forms can be used in complex also, but when you change to compound sentence, you have to use and so in the conjunction and in the middle. Have you understood? Just note down this table and put reason above this table, and the statements, everything that is based on reason. Next we'll go to another example. He was late, he missed the bus. That is a reason that is given here. He was late, he missed the bus. Then how to change to simple sentence? Being being late, he missed the bus. This is a simple sentence. When you have to change to complex sentence. As he is late, he missed the bus. Since he is late, he missed the bus. He missed the bus because he was late. In these three forms you can use. But for your understanding, or when it comes in the question paper or anything, you have to write in only one form. Understood? This is complex sentence. When you change to compound, this is a subordinate conjunction used here. In subordinate conjunction, this is a complex sentence. It is a compound sentence. When subordinate conjunction is used, it is complex sentence. When coordinate conjunction and is used, it is compound sentence. Note down neatly and go through the table. Go through the table as well as you have to memorize. You have to by heart what do you mean by subordinate conjunctions? What do you mean by subordinate conjunctions? And what do you mean by coordinate conjunctions? Coordinate conjunctions means and but yet still. Subordinate conjunction means after, before, since, because, though, although, even though, if, unless, when, why, that are the subordinate conjunctions. If subordinate conjunctions comes, that is called as complex sentence. If coordinate conjunctions are there, it is called as compound sentence. If phrase is there, it is called as simple sentence. That's the difference between the three, among the three. Let us come to the next example. He was ill, he was absent yesterday. This is also a reason. How to change to simple sentence? Due to his illness, he was absent yesterday. Due to his illness, he was absent yesterday. Due to is a phrase. So it is simple sentence. Then, how to change this one to complex sentence? How to change this one to complex sentence? As he was ill, he was absent yesterday. Since he was ill, he was absent yesterday. He was absent yesterday because he was ill. We use this one now. Anyone you can use, but I am using this one for understanding. The simple sentence, we use the phrase. What is the phrase here? Due to his illness, he was absent yesterday. Or on account of his illness also you can use. Next one, he was absent yesterday because he was ill. Here we use the subordinate conjunction because. So it is a complex sentence. So when you come to common sentence, he was ill and so he was absent yesterday. We are using the subordinate conjunction, coordinate conjunction and so it becomes compound sentence. I hope you understood. I hope you understood the examples which I have taught today. Now we are going to see the next example here. One more example. There was rain. Schools remain closed. The schools remain closed. All schools were closed. This is the statement. This is the reason. So how to change to this simple sentence? Take this one. How to change this one to simple sentence? Take this one. On account of rain, on account of rain, schools were closed. Schools were closed on account of rain. Schools were closed, or the schools were declared holiday. Just like that, anything can be written there. Then when you come to this one, this is simple sentence on account of phrase is there. How to change to complex sentence? As there was heavy rain, as there was rain, and no need to heavy rain. As there was rain, schools were closed. Here we use the subordinate conjunction as, so it is a complex sentence. How to change to compound sentence? There was heavy rain, there was rain and schools were closed, and so schools were closed. There was rain and so schools were closed. Here we use the subordinate, coordinate conjunction, so it is compound sentence. I hope you understood the reason. At the same time, when you apply for leave or anything in a leave letter, we use the same format. As I was suffering from fever, in the same way, you can use in this form also. On account of my illness, I was unable to come to school. On account of my illness, on account of fever, I was unable to come to school. In this simple sentence also you can write, and also mostly we use this complex as I was suffering from a fever. We start with this one. At the same time, we can start in simple sentence also. On account of fever or due to fever, I was unable to come to school yesterday. In this way also you can write. This is a way how to connect with your daily communication. This is not only a theory form, but we have to apply when we speak to others, or when in writing form also we have to apply it. That's the use of transformational sentence reason. Thank you. Go through with this video 1 or 2 times, and also go through the previous videos, transformational sentence, and get a clear illustrations of the previous class also. Then go through the examples and make sure you can able to communicate with others without any mistakes. Thank you.